Hi, I'm Danny with Danny Talk, and today we're going to get away from the dark and creepy and do something else because between me and you, I don't think anybody watches these. And I think I know why too. I think it's because I don't do a whole lot of like special effects. I don't rehearse. I don't like write down jokes to make sure I say during it. This is all natural, just my way of, in this case, my way of trying to help somebody. So we'll get right to it. What I'm going to show you today is how to make money doing surveys online and also be able to spend that money online without a credit card, debit card, or bank account. I have none of the above, okay? Now, you will have to make a PayPal account, but you can make a PayPal account and not link a credit or a debit card, and anything that you get for, like in this case, surveys, you still get that money sent to that, and then you can still use your PayPal address to order things off of such things like Wish and whatnot. I'll give you an example. See, it says right here to link your credit card or link your bank. I have not done either. I still have a balance, which you will not see until you get your first payment received. And see, look, right here today, I got $22.01 just off of surveys. Now, that may seem like it would take forever, and it is time consuming, and you do need a lot of time to do it, but if you really, if you're trying hard to make it or get to a certain goal, my goal was $22, and I started yesterday at 8 a.m. I stopped at about 9 p.m. to go to bed, and then a few more hours today, and I had it. And that's with plenty of breaks to eat, just to stretch. I even watched a few episodes of TV on Hulu. Okay, so where we're going to be going is Survey Junkie. SurveyJunkie.com is where you'll go. And when you do that, it'll give you a screen to log in or to sign up. And sign up is completely free. When you do sign up, it will be asking you all sorts of questions about like your preferences, things you like, things about you and everything. That is to open up more surveys that would be better for you, because you're not automatically approved to do every survey on here. Sometimes you go through the survey and then realize, and then you get rejected or it's full. So it seems like it can just take so long to get any money from this at all. But I did give up one time because a survey messed up on me and it was worth a lot of points, and I got frustrated and I stopped. But I came back calmer, learned some tips that I'm going to give you today. So just to take a quick look around, I know you're not retarded. I know you can figure most of this out. I'm just going to give you some basics here. This is your current points, mine is 0 because I just cashed out. Your total, which mine is 6,167. Now, each point is a cent. So that means I have made $61.67 on here. Now, as you can see right here, redemption is available at $10 minimum. Once you do redeem it, you have the option to put it into the PayPal account, and you can get an e-gift card, which I have not done, so I'm not sure how that works, or you can put it into a bank account. I know from personal experience, when you redeem out to PayPal, it is nearly instant, and those funds are nearly instantly available to spend as well. So these colored diamonds right here are supposed to mean ones that are supposed to mean how likely you are to qualify for these surveys. Red obviously would mean that you do not qualify, or that you would probably not qualify. But I have done quite a few red ones and still managed to actually get the points. Now, an awesome thing about the Survey Junkie is that even if you don't get in, even if you are not approved, or if the survey is full, you will get 2 or 3 points anyways. And so, yeah, that's only 2 or 3 cents, but hey, that adds up. And to show you that, I'm going to show you a graph of the points that I made from 0 to my goal that I did from yesterday to today. All right, and kind of shows off my OCD a little bit, but I'm hoping you get the idea. All right, so in the black column, we have the points that I made on the survey, and on the right, or the purple, we have the total. The question marks, those are times when Survey Junkie needed a little time to catch up and show on my available points that I had finished that survey. It's not that I can't count, it's just to kind of show you that it does happen. Don't worry though, anytime that it is said, you've gained however many points and it doesn't show on your points, it will. It's never just like disappeared on me. So, and then as you can see here, there is only one place right here, 2 times where I was able to make 100 or more points on a single survey. Most of the time, it's short ones, 65, and then you see all these 3s and those 2s. Those are surveys that I did not qualify for, or that were already full. So that's an amazing thing. So now, like I said, I've done red ones that I have actually gotten through. So my advice on here was pick out the ones with the most points, of course. If you have ones that are, if you have ones that are over 100, you definitely want to try and go for those no matter what their color is. But once you get, you know, to the ones that are a little less, like 85, 45, then you're going to want to look at the time, okay? Because you're not going to want to spend, say, 30, 45 minutes on a survey that's only going to give you 20 points. The point is to get what you can through surveys as quick as you can, and picking the shorter surveys can help. Now, that number is only accurate if you qualify for the survey and the actual survey. That doesn't count the whole classification process or the questions they ask to see if you qualify. So another piece of advice is be honest, because the questions that can qualify or disqualify you, you'll be tempted to lie on just so you can do a survey and get the points, but they remember your answers, and if you repeatedly do that, I do think that you might get kicked out altogether. I'm not sure. I haven't done it. There was a time that I got pretty much kicked out of a survey with no points, saying that I did not give an honest answer. I don't recall doing that. I tried being honest. I'm not sure where I was not, but it happens. But just try your best to be honest, and it is completely worth it. Okay? So, and then I think that might be it, as a matter of fact. If you have any questions or you need any more details about this, I would be more than happy to help. Leave a comment or whatever. And if anyone did watch this, anyone found it helpful, or you're just particularly nice, hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to try and get more videos out now that I've kind of broadened what I'm willing to do. It's a great way to talk to nobody and feel like you're not talking to yourself. So, this has been Danny with Danny Talk. Thank you so much for joining me here today. And again, I hope it was as useful to you as it was to me. And I stuttered on that, but I hope you get the point. So, goodbye for now.